Welcome to our channel. Watching your favorite Nickelodeon shows on your TV is simple with the activation code method. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV, streaming device, or gaming console and ensure it's connected to the internet. Step 2. Navigate to your device's App Store and search for the Nickelodeon app. Step 3. Download and install the Nickelodeon app on your device. This typically takes just a minute or two. Step 4. Open the Nickelodeon app once installation is complete. Step 5. Select the Sign In or Activate option from the main menu. An activation code will appear on your screen. Step 6. Keep your TV screen displaying the activation code while you complete the next steps. Step 7. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to nick.com Activate. Step 8. On the activation page, select your TV provider from the list of participating cable and streaming services. Step 9. Log in with your TV provider credentials, including your username and password. Step 10. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen in the designated field. Step 11. Click the Activate or Submit button to link your device. Your TV will automatically refresh and give you access to Nickelodeon's full library of shows and content. Start watching SpongeBob and other favorites immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.